Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Just doing a quick video, and what we're doing actually is a survey. So I want to ask you a few questions, and maybe you can give me some feedback in the comments section below. Number one, what is the best time? If we were to go live, what is the best time for you? We're on Eastern Standard Time here, so currently it's about 3 o'clock p.m. So you might be in the Philippines, you might be in Indonesia, you might be in Australia. So you let me know what the best time to go live would be for you. Keep in mind that we're on Eastern Standard Time here. Secondly, what is the best day for videos? Currently, we've been doing videos Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. And the reason we chose Saturdays, the weekend is here, and I know everybody is doing, their own thing, or it's relaxing time. But you let me know what the best time or the best day and the best time is for you. Last but not least, I'd like some feedback on what you think of our recipes. Are they too complicated, too simple, not long enough, too short? Do you like the 30-minute recipes? So just drop a comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys, and please give us some feedback. See you next time.